Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from a failed closing with Coldwell Banker, beginner guide step by step clearly. When a closing falls through, it can be disheartening. The first step is to assess the situation. Identify the reasons why the closing failed. Was it due to financing issues, inspection concerns, or perhaps buyer reluctance? Gather all relevant documents related to the transaction. This includes contracts, communication records, and inspection reports. Next, reach out to all parties involved. This means contacting the buyer, seller, and any agents or lenders. Open a dialogue to understand their perspectives on the situation. Once you have clarity, develop a recovery plan. Consider options such as renegotiating terms, addressing objections, or seeking alternative buyers. If financing was an issue, guide your buyers to explore other lending options. If inspections raised concerns, offer solutions or repairs to alleviate buyer fears. Create a timeline for your recovery plan. Set deadlines for each step, such as communication follow-ups and revised offers. Keep communication consistent with all parties involved. Regular updates can help maintain interest and show commitment. Consider hosting an open house for the property. This can generate new interest and potential offers. Engage with your brokerage for additional support. Your Coldwell Banker network may offer resources or advice for recovery. Once you receive a new offer, carefully evaluate the terms. Ensure that they align with the seller's goals and housing market conditions. Prepare to proceed with the closing process again. Be vigilant about potential issues that derailed the first transaction. Finally, maintain a positive attitude throughout the process. Stay focused on solutions and opportunities for success. With perseverance, you can turn a failed closing into a successful transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.